Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you many iPhone user complaining that they can't see eye tracking option on their iPhone. So in this video, going to tell you why you can't see eye tracking feature in your iPhone, okay? So first of all, make sure you install latest iOS 18 update in your iPhone. Tap on iPhone settings, tap on general, okay, tap on software update and make sure your iPhone up to date in the latest iOS update, okay? And the second reason behind it, eye tracking available in iPhone 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 series. So make sure you are using these devices when you searching eye tracking feature in your iPhone. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know why eye tracking feature not showing in your iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.